So today we're just doing kind of a lazy day here at the shop. We got Larry.
What about me?
We got Larry.
Oh, here. What happened? Oh, we're doing real video.
Yeah.
The Canon video. Day 78. We're still doing the brakes.
What happened to your brakes?
They're fighting. They're fighting us all the way.
Going spooning?
Yeah, got to spoon it now. I got the spoon in there, but it's the wrong spoon.
Fuck. So you need to get a different spoon.
Well, I'm hoping the other spoon that's on the spring will spoon it.
Yeah, it's hard going spooning these days.
Yeah.
You never find the right spoons when you
We
need
found
them.
the right spoons, baby. There are spoons. I'm not sure.
I don't know how to capture somebody's face and what we're talking about like they do on TV, so I'm just filming your belly.
A new beard.
Inside we got the Hearst car still sitting up here. This is waiting for a fuel tank, radiator, and a carburetor, which I had sent out to get rebuilt because I'm lazy and didn't feel like doing it myself. The Berlinetta is pretty much done. Yeah, I just gotta get all this blue shit off the tires. Wash it, clean it. It needs to get vacuumed now because I was driving it all week and got it all dirty. Got caught in like 3 rainstorms, drove it to a wedding, got caught in a rainstorm leaving that. Got no fucking windshield wipers because I didn't put wiper blades on it because I'm an idiot. That's almost wrapped up. That's still got to get cleaned. We're sending that out. That car's waiting to get picked up. That's been paid for. Waiting to get shipped. And over here, and this is what I'm working on today. The Department of Health Suburban. I bought this truck about like 4 or 5 months ago, and just ran like garbage. Couldn't even drive it. Would lean out all the time. And I bought this with a package of cars, so I didn't really pay much for it. Put a fuel pump in it last week, and now I'm trying to figure out how to fix this vacuum leak here. There's a special plug that it needs, and it's kind of an odd size. The auto parts store is closed, so I'm going to try to improvise with this spark plug boot. Jackpot. Fucking thing fit like a glove. Sometimes you got to improvise. Let's see how she runs. I just took it out to the gas station today. Idle's a lot smoother now. Yeah, that runs good. It's a good truck. Nice, we got working radio. CB, 4-wheel drive. We got all the switches there for our lights. Sweet. Light bar works. Nice. Looks cool. All right, let's go for a test drive. Probably should turn those off so I don't get arrested. This vehicle is a steady and sturdy craft. 25 miles an hour. Charging, quarter tank of fuel, that's reading accurately. Oil pressure looks good. We got a good running truck here. Department of Health coming through. Thing's fucking sweet. Well, let's give it some. Cool. We got turn signals. Sweet.